Can you kindly mark me? Mark me Jiram at the northeast. No, not. There's CTA nap in terms of like these ones. We have a lot of CTA naps. Crown me Jiram at the northeast. Tell me if it's done. Okay. Everyone zone in. Everyone zone in. Everyone zone in now. Come inside. Come inside. Come southwest, guys. Come southwest. You will be like near me anyway, but my info says that All Rise has 3 tier 3s blobs, so we gotta be ready to just to kite them pretty much. What? What do you mean Borderlands? Asian, I'm here. I'm next to you, Asian. I'm at your northwest. I'm next to you. I'll go east. Asian. I'll go east side. Okay. Hold. I'll go north. If you need to mark me, I'm at the north side. After this, guys, we take Gold Castle, okay? Yeah, everyone zone in curve. If you want to follow up, there's always space. Come northwest, guys. I'm missing one. Yo, I need one healer. One of my healers is gone. What? Yes. I need one Judy Fall. Can someone play Judy Fall? Can you X up Judy Fall? One of my Judy Falls is just disappeared. What do I have extra on? Viltrix, RV. One of my healers disappeared. No, real super model is solo bomb. Kindly X up if you play Judy Fall. X up if you play Judy Fall, guys. X up if you play Judy Fall. X up if you play Judy Fall. Kindly X up, guys, if you play Judy Fall. Okay, everyone zone in now. Come to crossing. We're gonna be nap with anyone. Which enemy reviewing? I need give instruction. What TeamSpeak? Yo guys, Bravo's inviting me for TeamSpeak. I'm gonna disappear. So give me one. Hell no! Wait, you wanna fight? Wait, yeah, another one. Yo! You wanna get my cucumber? Stop stealing cucumbers! I can't stop stealing. Money! Yo, regroup in Wasteland. Come to Wasteland. We all regroup in Wasteland. Yo, okay. Listen, we gotta change the plan. Yo, Mimi, high card. We gotta change the plan. Oh, never mind. You're here. If we're not gonna go there, we're just gonna hold. No. I mean, there comes. Everyone's zoning bulwark. No need. Okay. So my party My party will be in Ravine Gulch. Then Mimi still cap Wasteland in the other, okay? Still cap Wasteland, bro. Yeah, still cap Razorok Ravine in Wasteland. I'm gonna try and capture Gulch or some shit. No, I'm gonna hold Gulch.
You get the first name. Oh, lunch.
Oh, never mind. I don't think I'm supposed to capture Gulch.
No.
Yo, guys, you'll be in Gulch. You'll be in Gulch. We're gonna be defending our allies from getting ganked. We used our 40 disarray to do so. Crazy, bruh. Who's gonna gank them? Who's gonna gank them? Nope. Who's gonna gank them for them to bring us DA40 to like anti-gank, bro? Nore? Yo, don't get ganked. Everyone hold northwest. Everyone hold northwest. Akashi, I need you to bring your eagle to Mimi, okay, so that they can capture fast, yeah?
Okay.
Hi, Card. What if you hold? Nah, never mind. Yeah, what if you hold Wasteland with Mimi? I'll go Gulch. I'll go bring the whole Zerg Gulch. Jiro, come with me, Gulch, okay? Yeah, everyone come to HO first and set home. Everyone come to HO first and set home. If you have extra sets, you are free to use it. You are free to use it. Except if you play Judy Fall. Except if you play Judy Fall. Yo, can you give Mimi Kyun the
Again. Minor.
Yeah, everyone's at home. Everyone's at home.
Minor.
Yo, enemy gankers in Ravine, bro. We're gonna fuck them up, bro. Everyone's at home. Everyone's at home. Ready your stuff. Ready your stuff. Ready your OC. Ready your food. Get everything you need. We're gonna go exactly 1 minute, boys. We're gonna go exactly 1 minute. What am I supposed to do again? Oh yeah, my mace.
How to do that?
Okay, boys, get ready. Let's go. Come southwest. Let's go zone out. We go straight to Ravine. High Card, I need you to hold Wasteland. Actually, go Gulch instead. Other parties just go to Wasteland. I'm gonna go to Ravine. High Card, go Gulch. Jiro, come with me, Ravine, okay? Okay? Yeah, go inside Terry now, Mimi. Yo! Is there silver in treasury even enough to capture 2 territories, guys? Wait, I'll give you. Yo, can someone depot like 10M, bro? our money's in high cards for some reason. Why is our money in high cards, bro? Everyone zone in.
Careful, Nari Bomber. Careful. Energy Shaper.
Any other party stay in Wasteland. My party and Jiro go to Ravine, and High Cards party will go northwest. Yeah, hold Gulch. High Card, hold Gulch. Hold Gulch. Hold Gulch, brother. We're gonna be holding Ravine. Yo, any other party? Mimi.
Wait, I'm coming.
Yeah, everyone scatter. Find the gankers. Everyone scatter. Find the gankers. Everyone scatter. My party and Jiro's party scatter and find the enemies, bro. I need one healer.
Si Ma'am Ophelia.
Yo guys, find the gankers, find the gankers. Find the gankers, man. Surround malicious HO, surround malicious HO. Yo, if you're in Mono's party or Jiro's party, surround malicious HO, then find the gankers. Anyone not from Jin, kill them. Anyone not from Jin, kill them. Yo, everyone scatter, everyone scatter, everyone scatter. Yo, we're in ravine, we're in ravine. Yo, everyone scatter. Jiro and my party scatter around in ravine.
O ng mga projects, ang mapapabilib ka sa
Yeah, everyone disperse. Scatter here, boys, scatter here. Gank everyone who's trying to kill, bro. Gank anyone who's trying to kill MC, bro. Any guild that is not in MC or Jin Alliance, feel free to murder them. Everyone disperse. Jiro, stay here in ravine. Jiro, stay here in ravine. I need one Judy Fall. Anyone except if you play Judy Fall. Except if you play Judy Fall. Yo, find the gankers. I need people scattered here in the northwest side. I need people scattered here in the northwest side. I need people scattered here in the northwest side, guys. Yo, I need people scattered here in the northwest side. Yo, Jiro, listen. You see my ping, Jiro? You guys see my ping? Scatter in the northwest side, like in the entrance in the northwest. Scatter. Surround MCHO until northwest. Surround MCHO until northwest. Surround MCHO until northwest. Just disperse. Wait, who's gonna cap ravine? Mimi, I'm gonna go to Mimikin's comms, okay?
Wild dogs.
Yo, kill wild dogs. Here, wild dogs on my ping, wild dogs. Yo, on my ping. Yo, everyone scatter on my comms, bro. Scatter on the HO. Scatter on the HO, guys. Don't get bombed. Scatter on the HO. Kill one Jin, kill these guys. Yo, everyone just disperse. Everyone just disperse on the hideout of malicious crew. Hold northwest. I need you guys to hold northwest as well. Not everyone in the south. I need someone holding northwest or else they're gonna get ganked. I need some people in the northwest. Father Quibs, where are you? Wait, I'm gonna go to Evil Smoker's comms. Dude, we're already in ravine, man. We're gonna hold the ravine for you guys. Be sure you're already inside. I'm gonna bring you guys one more DPS. I'm gonna bring my Shadow Caller inside of you to help you guys.
With 300 Spartan.
Wala tayong 100 dagger, man. Either bigyan ko kayo ng isang longbow. Yun ang magagawa ko, man. Sige.
Melly goes jail. That's when she got kidnapped. Murder.
Yo, guys, just disperse around MCHO. Yo, imagine, guys, Jiro and my party, imagine this. Like, imagine you just came out from MCHO, right? They're gonna go northwest, right? Because that's where the war is. You guys need to make, like, a line to protect them. You need to protect MCHO. Protect MCHO, man, no matter what. They're getting ganked right now. Protect it. Then we're gonna move. We're gonna cap ravine. What? Genie snap. Yo, kill this guy, man. 5-3, yo. Kill this guy. Gucci, on me.
Get the back.
Come back. Too far. That is why you need to scatter. That is why we need to scatter, man. Scatter.
Is Karina net?
Yeah, Genie snap. Every Jin Alliance, JIN, except the one with a small J. It's not nap. No, that's CCTV. That's fine. That's CCTV, bro. Just make a line so that MC does not get ganked, bro. Just make a line. Like, imagine you go outside of this HO, you go to that northwest zone. Imagine where they will go. Yo, someone kill this guy from one Jin, bro. He's just moving around. No one's catching him, guys. I'm low-key pinging. No one's dismounting, man. Everyone just dismount. If you see someone, just catch them, bro.
Here. But they said, hey, one shot. But they don't want.
Everyone disperse. Everyone disperse. This guy's probably going to outro. The war is still like 20 minutes, bro, and our enemy already ganking. Hang on.
I'm gonna go anywhere and you don't. Only back shot.
Yo, guys, scatter and dismount. Everyone scatter and dismount. Everyone scatter and dismount so we can gank those gankers, bro. So we're ready.
Tiger. Don't kill Tiger.
Tiger is snap. Not really, but Tiger is snap. Tiger get away. Tiger get away. Someone's pinging northwest. Someone's pinging northwest. Someone's pinging northwest.
It's Snap. It's Snap. You guys. Hello, hello. How are you guys
43,
catching
96
Tiger?
guys on northwest.
There's a ping on the green. There's a ping on the green. Ready to dismount, guys. There's a ping on the green. Just hold. Just hold. What? Or Frost? No? I think. Bro, just hold, just hold. We holding 3 maps right now. We're holding 3 maps right now. Just hold 3 maps. Wait. Guys, don't sleep though. Don't sleep. If you see some red like this guy wearing 5-3, dismount there, please. Dismount there, please. Hello, dismount there on my ping. Dismount there, please. 5-3, he got tagged. Going up the choke, 100%. Dismount there, please. Barat, going up the choke, guys. Going up the choke. Dismount there, please. Catch him. He got caught. He's going to the zone. He's trying to zone in. Dismount there already. Catch this Mr. Lonely guy. Oh, no one wants to catch him. Rip. They just let him zone in.
There's another guy. This 43536. Catch him.
No, that's Snap. That's Jin, bro. That's Jin.
Okay.
This Nore though, kill Nore, bro. Even if they were 5 flat, just kill them. Even if they were 5 flat, bro, just kill them. Yo, this guy, why is no one ganking this guy, bro? This guy's Loki Gucci, man. On me, I tag him. Oh my gosh, bro. What? This guy is Gucci. What? What is that? Oh my gosh, bro. We are so cooked. Yo, everyone scatter. Stop moving like one direction, boys. Why is there a blob southeast? Is that us? Never mind, that's us killing someone. Yo, kill this guy. Dismounted. Gucci guy get dismounted. Nah, he's not Gucci, but like he's a rat. Just kill him. On mono. 3, 2, 1. Die, bro. Kill. Yes, high card. Just kill every ganker you see, bro. They're gonna try and rat. Just gank everyone, bro. What? Can someone tell that to Brofus? Macron zoning in from Bulwark. So they zone in Bulwark, right? Is that a huge party, Mimi? Question mark. Did Macaron zone in Bulwark like a lot of them? Question mark. Hello, Mimi. What guild? Feiwo? Bruh, I can't hear you, bruh.
Watch out, guys, trying to on-shot bomb. Wait, careful. On the south side.
Bruh.
What is fucker?
Everyone just scatter. Gank everyone you see. They're wearing Gucci, man.
Kill on south.
Kill. Don't kill Tiger, though. Tiger is kind of friend. There's someone pinging south. There's someone pinging south.
Mono,
This is scatter northwest. Yes?
Mono. Fewo, Guild.
here in southeast.
I think
Blob.
Feiwo is snap. I think Feiwo is snap. But like, if they're here, just kill them.
Kill this stupid guys.
Yeah, kill all the one shots. Kill all the rats. Just kill everyone, bro. Like, mercilessly murder them. Who's zoning Ravine? Feiwo? No, it's okay. It's okay. Feiwo fine. Feiwo nap, I think. Yo, dude, I think Feiwo is gonna cap Gulch, bro. Don't attack Feiwo. Can you ping? Alright. Yo, scatter around malicious HO, bro. Yeah, don't kill Feiwo. Don't kill Feiwo. Polka dots around the zone. Polka dots. Yo, Father Quibs. Where the hell are you, Father Quibs? Where the hell is Father Quibs, bro?
Feiwo.
Yo,
Guys, need people in southwest. The Nori
yo,
here.
yo, yo,
Nori.
listen. Idol Alliance, Idol is snap. Idol Alliance is snap. Do not gank Idol Alliance. They are nap.
Someone check China.
We're gonna be capping Ravine. Idol Alliance is gonna be nap. Do not gank nap, guys. Do not gank Idol Alliance.
Mono. South.
Yes.
Northwest. Blob. Nori.
Can you ping? I don't see a blob northwest. What do you mean blob northwest, Nore?
They are now in southwest.
Can you catch them? Can you catch them, bro? Catch them. Dismount them. Catch the Nore, guys. Kill them, man.
They are fighting here.
Come. Heal Sanaraku. Use your cowl. Nore here. Yo.
Guys, people is
Yo, heal
dying. People is
Sanaraku.
dying.
Yo, come west. We're good. Come west. Kill this man. Kill them. Kill them. Don't kill the malicious crew, yo. That's malicious crew, man. Don't kill me, MC. Yo, come south. Everyone comes out. Kill this. On me. Delete this guy, bro. Wait, I'm gonna go back to Mimikyun's party, bro. Mimikyun.
Catch.
Yo, Mimi, where are you? 15 minutes, by the way. 15 minutes. Sige. Care. Just be careful. Na-wipe na naman namin na yung bomb squad ng Nore. Just care.
Macron.
Yo, everyone disperse here. Scatter around. Just scatter around, man. Like, make one line towards MC hideout to the zone. Make one line MC hideout to the zone, man. Protect MC. Hey, what's this blob in the Terry? Macaron? This is Macaron? Wait.
I think it's
China
Feiwo.
junkers here.
Ganito, yung gano'n kay Richard nasaan? Gusto ko yung magbalat nun ng medyo ilaw. Ayaw ko nga nang hinog. Dalawang
So get away from the Terry. Yeah, nap with Feiwo, nap with the Idol Alliance, nap.
Ito nga lang yung dalawang box. Pinuha ng ano, di ba saya?
Yo, just help Mimi in Sansang Wasteland. Someone's gonna cap Ravin already. Wasteland na lang kayo, brother. Wasteland na lang kayo.
Nori,
Yo,
Nori.
high card. Since we don't really need that much, what if your party start capping other territories, man? Actually, wait, never mind. Just hold Gulch. Bravos might be mad, man. He wants us to hold Gulch so badly. Because Faye was already capping Ravine. Mimi, I told Mimi Kyun to help you there, okay? Ravine will go to Idol Alliance. Yeah, Ravine will go to Idol Alliance. In Valley? Razarak Valley. Wait, are we supposed to go to Valley now?
Oo. Pwede ba yan sa kwarto? The what? The what?
Stopping
To Valley?
southeast.
The what?
So you're gonna go to Valley and Gang. I'm gonna go ask another party to go to Gulch and hold, right? Yo,
What?
how many are you guys there in Wasteland? Mimi? Zayla? Actually, just Mimi. What is your disarray in Wasteland? Okay. What do I need to do? No. He's gonna help you guys. Cap. They're just using skip set right now. 24918. What I need you to do, Mimi? I need the other parties that you currently have to go to. Actually, you won't have a caller there. Probably I'll just bring Evil Smoker, man. Wait. Who can I bring? Who has another comms? Oh, Jiro. Okay. Yo, Jiro, can you hear me? Zyle, are you there, Zyle? Father Quib, are you still alive? Yo, Father Quib, kindly reply, man, before I kick you out of the guild, man. Why are you not replying? Oh, you're still applied in Bridgewatch portal, bruh. No, it's okay, man. I'm gonna kick you out of the party. You should have told me that earlier. Actually, just go to Ravine, man. It's still close, bro. It's still close in Bridgewatch.
Mono, do you have PT in Gulch?
No, not right now. Jiro, I need you to go to Gulch, Jiro. I need
There
you to
is
go
a
to
bomb
Gulch.
here. But MC cannot go. There's a Gucci MC cannot go to other map because there's a bomb in Gulch.
Jiro, I need you to go to Gulch, Jiro. Can you hear me? Zyla, are you there? Zyla, I need you guys to go to Gulch, Zyla. Yo, actually, man. Jiro, stay here in Ravine. Hold MC's HO. Like, make one line. Then, my party go to Gulch. Zyla, can you hear me? Hello? Jiro. Jiro's party, just stay here in Ravine. Hold Ravine. My party will go to Gulch. Hold Ravine. My party go to Gulch.
Arrest?
I-apply na makalugpas sa private evidence. Ilanong na naman siya. Ang ginawa namin sa
Said-
pinakita sa slide, di ba kung ano yung may nagdaig na naman, binanggit na naman siyang word na kasi. Ang ayaw palinig ng professor. Sabi ng professor,
Arrested him.
kindly explain that again, Aubrey, your words, not mine.
Yo, Jiro, just go to Ravine, okay? We're gonna be holding Gulch. Okay? Hold Ravine. Don't let any MC gets gank, okay? Just make one line from MC's hideout to the northwest zone. I'm gonna go back to high card comms now. Yo, everyone disperse. Don't let anyone gank. Hold gulch, boys. Hold gulch. Everyone make one line. Everyone make one line. Boys, my party make one line. My party make one line, boys.
Confident na nga.
Yeah, everyone dismount. Make one line and dismount. Everyone make one line and dismount. Come until east. Like, make the line super long, bro.
What?
Make the line small, long, man. Make the lines long. Make the line long.
Overwatch was
Just make one line, boys. Make one line. Yo, some people, I need some people in the east side. Some people, I just go east side. Make one line.
by
Just this first man. Jiro will be holding Ravin. Just hold, guys. Make one line. Make long line. Make one long line, bro. Make one long line, guys. Make one long line. After this, we're gonna cap legendary outpost. All rise. Big party? Question mark. Hello? Is it big party?
now it's been
No, not you. Mimi, is it big party, Mimi? Mimi, is it big party, Mimi?
10
Are they big party in Wasteland, Mimi? Yes?
been 10
How big?
been
How big?
10 years.
Oh, just 5 or 10 people. You guys can deal with it, yes?
Rob
Hey, everyone scatter.
Rob
Make a line, guys. Make a line. Dismount. Make a line. Protect. Until east side, guys. Protect this one line, bro. Yo, Akashi, go to Mimi, bro. Akashi. They need eagle so that they have good cooldowns, bro. Go to Mimi, Akashi.
Mimi doesn't want
Wala
me,
ka
bro.
na yun.
Oh, Mimi doesn't want eagle. It's okay. Just stay here with us then.
Yeah, bro. I'm crying.
Wala ka na yun.
So, para mas mabilis cooldown nyo, bro. Everyone scatter. Make one line. Everyone make one line, boys. Make one line. Reach until the east side, boys. Reach until the east side. Make one long line. Boys. Make one long line.
now
First, malapit may
Make one long line, boys. Make one long line. Yo, I need a huge line the east side, bro. I need a huge line as well on the east side. Make one long line. Yo, dismount. Catch the gankers, bro. Just make one long line, boys. Just make a one long line, boys. Jin is ally. Jin. CMCC snap.
10
Yo, kill this scout, bro. Kill this tier 3 ox scout, bro. Kill this scout. Careful with the beetle, by the way. Don't die from the beetle. Oh my god.
Bro.
Oh my god, bro.
The fuck? Healer.
Did someone rescue Genova, bro? We got killed by one beetle. Oh my god, man. Yo, make one line. Make one line, guys. Just leave the beetle alone, Akitoshi. Stop trolling. Just leave the beetle alone. You're supposed to gank their regear, supposedly. What if you move away like to Chasm or something? Or where their zone is? No. Wait, where's their hideout? Where do they regear? Oh, they regear from your northeast in Valley. They regear from the northeast in Valley. Everyone just disperse. Everyone just disperse. Yeah, just gank them, like zone in, maybe zone in Chasm, bro. Maybe zone in Kasem. Mimi, update me once the Terry's about to be capped, okay? Accept, guys, accept if you still have party. Yeah, Feywo is snap.
I need to play it. Yan ang hindi ko pinag-play.
Yeah, it's okay, bro. There's gonna be fight later. We're gonna go cap a legendary castle or something.
0-5 UOC.
Why?
MC coming back, mano. MC coming back.
Coming back from where?
Gulch. I think they will go to Echo.
Okay. Just hold, just hold. Everyone just hold. Everyone just hold. Just hold. Just hold, boys. Just hold. Everyone just hold. Everyone just hold. Catch anyone who is not MC. Catch anyone who is not MC.
China Gunker and Bank. Razarok Bank.
Gank them, gank them.
Okay, what this story is all about. Once upon a time,
Feywo, Idol Alliance is snap, by the way. Idol Alliance is snap.
once upon a time, basahin mo.
What?
Rinig ko. The watch was stolen. The watch was stolen. Then,
Someone catching Gulch? Is someone capping Gulch?
The police
the police, Pio,
arrest.
Yo, everyone come to me. I don't think someone's capping Gulch. We might as well cap it, bro. Yo, come. Yo, come. DPS, except Death Tanks. DPS and Hinoyuki. DPS and Hinoyuki, come to me. Everyone else just hold northwest. Everyone else just hold, just scatter around the Terry. Everyone else just scatter around the Terry. I need some of my Judy Falls to go Resurrection. I need some of my Judy Falls to go Resu. Come to me quickly. Where? Wait, what's this mounting? Is that high card? Okay, never mind. It's fine. Yo, come to Mono, guys. My damage and Hinoyuki, come to me. My damage and Hinoyuki, come to me. We can just drop this, bro, if they're not capping. Yo, if you guys, if you're not in my party, get away. If you guys are not in my party, get away. If you guys are not in my party, get away. Get away from me. Get away from me, please. Get away. Yo, damage the boss now. 3, 2, 1 on me. Clap. Care. Just scatter around, guys. Scatter around. Yo, kill this small guy. Focus on the small guy once it's next to the boss. Kill the small guy next to the boss, guys. Don't aggro the other small guys. The other small guys does not do anything now. Like, new update, bro. Just focus on the small guy that the boss spawns, like next to me. Like the small guy next to me, guys. The small guy next to me. Damage the small guy next to me. Yo, guys, damage the small guy next to me. Okay, good job. It's gonna explode. It's gonna damage the boss. Okay, just wait. Shardy, get away. Mikaaza, get away, please. You guys are not in my party. Kindly get away. Thank you very much. Get away. Damage the small guys. Damage the small guys, guys. Guys, damage the small guys first. Nice. Yo, careful. Tricky, get away from the blazing. Stabilize. Okay, nice. Get away from the blazing. That's gonna hurt a lot. Yo, look at mono in 3, 2, 1 on me. The small guy, damage the small guy. Careful of the tornado. Get away from Simsi. Kill the small guys first. Kill the small guy next to the boss. The one that I pull next to the boss.
CCTV.
Say nap. Just spam nap, bro. Care, guys. Care. 3, 2, 1 on me. Drop your ease on me. Drop your ease. Yo, care, get away, get away, get away. Emperor, don't die, get away from the blazing, get away from the blazing. Kill the small guys first, guys. Remember, kill the small guy first, kill the small guy first. Care, get away, get away, get away. Guys, the spawn guy next to me. Look at Mono in 3, 2, 1, on me. Delete this guy, delete this small guy. Okay. Scatter again, man, scatter again. He's gonna drop the blazing. Get away from the blazing, get away from the blazing, get away from the blazing. Get away from the blazing. Everyone else scatter, okay? Everyone else scatter. Yo, get ready. It's gonna spawn the small guy. Delete the small guy, okay? It's gonna spawn the small guy on designer. Look at Mono in 3, 2, 1 on the small guy now. Delete the small guy.
Hold up. When you
I don't know as well.
copy, but when you cursing.
Yo, keep deleting the boss. Ready. Okay, blazing, get away. Nyok, don't touch that blazing, bro. It's gonna spawn the small guy. soon. Get ready. Look at Mono. 3, 2, 1 on me. What?
Let's see how can you
Yeah, you have. Yo, careful. It's gonna spawn the. No, careful, yo, Sunwako. Okay, last goes. Why are you scared of 16 to 50? Yo, Ongyom, what are you doing, Ongyom? Okay, just eat the blazing, it's fine. Someone rescue Ongyom. Yo, look at Mono. It's gonna spawn the last guy. Very soon. Careful of the blazing. Get away from the blazing. Oh, it's spawning the last guy. Get ready to delete this last guy, bro. Just keep damaging the boss. Come on, delete the boss, guys. Delete the boss. Where are you capping right now, Icard? Okay, get away. CCTV will cap. Get away. Mount up. Yo, don't damage CCTV, man. Yo, mount up. Everyone mount up. Take the Siphon, deploy it in the guild. Then just let CCTV cap. Deploy the Siphon in the guild, guys, once you loot. Are you guys in bank? Are you guys in Razorok bank, bro? Yo, come southwest, come to bank, guys. Come southwest now.
Hindi ka dito matutulog, make sure sarado lahat.
Come southwest now. Everyone come southwest now. Mimi, update me once you're done, okay? Yeah, let CCTV take. Come southwest, boys. Come southwest. Come to bank now.
Ay, kakainin daw nila eh. Piyali ka na.
Because they want top 1, man. Chill.
Huh?
Come Valley, everyone come Valley. So you're the one capping bank here, right? You're the one capping here bank, right? Jiro. Jiro, you can go bank now. Jiro, you can do Razorok bank now, Jiro. Come northwest, Mono. Everyone follow Mono northwest. Come northwest, guys. Follow Mono northwest. What? Mimi, have you cap? Question mark. Come to bank. Everyone come to bank. Come northwest. Do you guys need help there? Yo, someone. Yo, healers, can you come to high card right now and rescue them? Do you guys need help? Question mark. Okay, I think they're good. Yo, come northwest. Izo, can you stay there? Come northwest, come northwest. Everyone else go northwest. We're gonna go take Valley.
In the shells here. On a pot, we're gonna make a gold shell.
Come to Valley, guys. Everyone come to Valley. Everyone come to Valley. Come to Valley, Terry. Come to Valley, Terry. Jiro, come to Valley as well. Yeah, everyone come to Valley. Everyone come to Valley. Everyone come to Valley. This Bayo. Okay, come northeast, come northeast. Everyone come northeast. Everyone come northeast. Razor Kasem. I think this is Bayo. I think this is Bayo. Come northeast, come northeast. Come to Kasem. Come to Kasem. Come Razor Kasem, guys. First party. Come to Razor Kasem.
Cut. Buddy, let's use. Oh! A minute.
I told you, bro. This hybrid pump is so good in capping, Terry. For real.
Oh, I'm gonna use this.
Come northeast to Kasem. Come northeast to Kasem.
Cut. Done again.
Come to Razor Kasem. Never mind. Don't come to Razor Kasem. Bad idea. Don't come to Kasem. Don't. Actually. Never mind. They already got the other Terry. Okay, Cody got the other Terry.
Blob in southwest.
Now,
I think we're good. Come back. We're going back to bank. Actually, let's check Valley. Let's defend barcode. Let's defend barcode. Yeah. CCTV is meant to cap it. Give everything to CCTV.
this is a salad challenge. I'm gonna see them my salad up. Salad! You asshole!
Just cap it if there's no CCTV. Wait. I'll try messaging.
Yung gabi na.
What zone is that?
Naman ng magano. Muna gayahin kuya mo.
We got a lot of things. When Opa clicking,
Yeah, go take outpost. Go do whatever you want right now.
is
You get away from the tornado, man. Get away from the tornado.
really that ain't my phone. It's on my new team. Money. And then the carrier.
Yo, I find all race battle mount.
Just cap bank, bro. Just cap bank.
Yo, all race battle mount going north southwest.
Valley is getting taken by. You get away from the boss. Don't help the ally. Ginoba, what are you doing? Don't help the ally, man. Get away from the boss. Get away from the boss. Get away. The HP is just gonna increase.
I don't know.
Get away, boys. Just get away from the boss.
Let's go.
Come southeast. Swill, don't fight those guys. You will not leave, bro. Whose blob is this? Whose blob is this?
So the next we have this season this.
CCTV.
Oh yeah, I'm still here. That's CCTV.
Yeah.
But I got a new
Oh, it's Nore. Care. That's Nore. Get away. That's Nore. I think. I'm not sure.
No,
Someone's
it's
seen. I don't know what.
CCTV. It's CCTV here.
Oh, if that's CCTV, it's fine. Just it's fine. Just
Yo,
mount up.
All right.
HBG
All
zone
right.
from southwest of Valley.
We're in Valley right now.
Yo, HBD is
I
zoning from
see
southwest
all
of Valley,
right.
okay? Like the OC. Like 10 of them. I think more coming.
All right here. All right.
They're coming out.
Parson draw. You can, but I think Maldito, like, something came there already, like from Jin Alliance. Someone from Jin Alliance already went there. Yo, guys, there's some all rice here, yo. Try catching some of this all rice. Try catching some of
Alright.
this all rice.
Northeast. All right, northeast.
Try catching some of this all rice, bro. They're Gucci.
AK-47.
Blub northeast, blub northeast.
Come southeast, come southeast. That's all rice. Come southeast, boys. Everyone come southeast.
Northeast
Come
is
southeast.
all
Everyone come
right.
southeast. Everyone come southeast. Come. Yeah, we all regroup in bank. Let's go take the castle. Let's go take the castle. Come to bank. Okay, we're in bank right now. Everyone regroup in bank Terry. Why? No, it's okay. We can buy hammer from smugglers. Yeah, let's go to bank. Everyone regroup in bank. We go take the castle of Snow Forest. Everyone, we hold Snow Forest castle, okay? Do you guys have hammer? Do you guys have hammers with you? Black Pearl, yeah, every Jin, J-I-N and G-I-N, both of them. Regroup in bank. Everyone regroup in bank. We're gonna take castle gold. Regroup in bank. Come to Terry. We all regroup in bank, bro. Come to Terry and hold. I think that's CCTV. Just hold the Terry. Never mind, it's just us. The big blob is just us as well. Come to bank. Everyone regroup to bank. I'm gonna go talk to Brofus if we're gonna drop bank. We're gonna take gold castle after this, guys. We're gonna take gold castle. If you're a caller active enough timer, kindly host all the outposts you can do. Just take everything, bro. Yeah, everyone dismount. Let's try a lag check, bro. Everyone dismount. Yo, comes out. Everyone dismount. We lag check. Come east side. Look at east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom! Explosion of the phone, bro. It's gone. My phone is gone. Everyone's phone is gone. It's deep fried. Mimi, we're in bank right now. Everyone come to bank. Jiro, come to bank as well. Everyone just hold bank, guys. Or hold bank. I think they're busy for war. Let's just leave bank for now. Let's go take outpost. Let's go take castle in Snow Forest Cliffs. Let's go take castle. Come northeast. Do you guys have hammer with you? If you have hammer, kindly X up in alliance. Now. Any hammer, like even tier 6 is fine. Like hammer with you in your inventory. Does any of you have hammer? At least one. Okay, if not, come. We do smugglers. We go smugglers for now. We buy like tier 6 hammer.
Mono, I will scout cliff for you, okay?
Okay, no problem. Let's go buy hammer. Why not go smuggler? Homesick? As long as you don't set home, it's fine. I believe. You don't set home, you're not gonna get homesick. Yeah, just don't set home. You're not gonna get homesick. Buy a tier 5 or tier 6. Just buy a siege hammer. Okay, I just bought a tier 5 one because I'm broke. What CMCC? That's fine, Jin and Surgeon. Let's go bonk Legendary Castle. Come to Razorok Bank, Let's go back. Let's go back to bank. Let's all our group in bank. Hold northeast. Hold northeast. Just hold northeast, guys. Yep. Guys, press X if you think we're gonna win in Alliance chat, bro. Press Y for real.
No one
Y.
in glitch mana.
That's okay, it's okay. They're gonna mess soon for a gold castle for sure. Everyone zone into Gulch now. Everyone go to Gulch now. Go to Gulch. We go northeast again. We go hold northeast again. Come to Gulch and hold northeast. Just go straight northeast. Guys. Just go straight northeast. Oh, hell nah, bruh. Some suspicious messages in Alliance. What? Okay, the moment we take Castle, this is what I want us to do. We're gonna split all our parties. Go take every outpost next to us. Take every outpost you see. You see Dawn, take outpost in Dawn. You see Ravine, take outpost in Ravine. Take every castle, take every outpost you see, guys. We split up party, take everything. Then we all regroup in castle like the moment we start taking everything one by one. Main party will hold castle. Now this is where the fight comes in 100%. If there is no fight, no outpost in Ravine, I mean Sunfang Ravine, bro. No need. There's no enemy there, I believe. Just bonk the same gate. Take every outpost, take every castle, take everything. Just take everything, bro. Every castle, every outpost, every spiders, like every crystal mobs. You see, every crystal mobs. Take everything, man. Like Loki, just take everything. This is the time where we start just focus PvP. Group dungeon players, boys. If you're listening to me right now, all the group dungeon hosts start massing for crystal spiders and everything else, bro. Instead of spamming group dungeon. Go open world. Go get us some points, man. What are you killing there? Oh hell nah, bro. Let one party take over the beetle, bro. Everyone just attack the beetles at the same time. Yo, 7.4 hide in Wailing Bulwark. We'll also take that, okay? 7.4 hide in Wailing Bulwark. We'll take that as well. Go attack the castle. Take it away. 6.4 hide in 20 minutes. We take 6.4, then we take 7.4. Keep bonking, guys. Keep bonking. We take 6.4. We take 3 gold castle. I mean, we take 1 gold castle. Let's try and take 2 gold castle. 5 gold outposts. And 1 6.4, 1 7.4. Don't damage the ballista. The ballista won't do anything. It's like very tanky, bro. Just leave the ballista alone. Not gonna lie. Someone aggro the mobs. Damage them now. Delete the mobs now. Yeah, we're gonna go take the 6.4. 3, 2, 1 on me. Ready defensive because the ballista. Oh, never mind. It's so much tankiness. Good shit. Kill the guards at the northeast side. Kill the guards at the northeast side, guys. Kill the guards at the northeast side. Once we take the castle over, everyone disperse, okay? Everyone disperse. We're gonna start taking 6.4, 7.4, and the other shenanigans we're gonna take. Everyone disperse. Take every spiders. Take every crystal contact you can see. Kill the lord, guys. Kill the lord. Ready, ready, ready. Careful of the ballista. Keep moving around so that you don't get hit by the ballista. Look at mono in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Defensive ready. Defensive now. Got hit by ballista. Stabilize. Nice heals. Okay, scatter, scatter, scatter. Guys, keep moving around. You're gonna get hit by the ballista. We start capping. Okay, everyone start mounting up. Take every outpost you see. Take every crystal spider you see. Take everything, bro. We're gonna take the 6.4 with one party. It's fine. Just take every outpost you see. Take crossing. It does not matter. Take crossing. Take the other castle in ravine. Take dawn. Yeah, go massacre. Take everything, man. Just go have fun. Take everything you see. Then we all regroup in castle once we take the outpost one by one. Okay, guys, my party will be taking the 6.4. Jiro, come with me. Everyone else disperse. We're gonna take everything. Yeah, we're gonna take 6.4 fiber, bro. Don't worry. Okay, guys, we have multiple parties capping Sanfang Wasteland, capping Dawn, capping Gulch. Someone cap Ravine. Mimi, actually, can you cap Ravine? Question mark. Yeah, Castle Ravine. Cap Castle Ravine with your party, man. Take the other castle. Take the other gold castle, bro. Take everything, man. Sanfang Ravine, bro. Sanfang Ravine. Castle. Mimi's party go Sanfang Ravine Castle. Hi, Card, you wanna take Sanfang Ravine as well, help? Or you just wanna take other castles, bro? I mean, outposts.
Tiger.
Sanfang Ravine? Who's this? Who's speaking? This you say? Go with Mimi, man. Go with Mimi in Sanfang Ravine. Go with Mimi. My party, who can gather? Who wants to gather 6.4 Cotton, man? If you have gathering tools, go to HO now, get it. We'll wait for you here. Hi, Card, can you wanna help Mimi take Ravine or just go take crossing as well, boys? Go take crossing as well. Take everything, man. Take crossing, take ravine. Does not matter. Just take every outpost you see. Take upland as well. Take upland. Rebo is there. Ooh, Rebo didn't get any Terry, I think. Ooh, wee. Did they get Terry? Question mark. Oh, they got upland. Oh, they went back to Macaron. Macaron went back to Lim? Yo, Mimi, merge with High Cards Party, man. Mimi, go to High Cards Party. DC3. Merge with High Card Party, Mimi. Then you guys will take Castle. Mimi, go to VC3. Or High Card, go to VC2. You guys adjust to Mimi. Mimi, High Card will go to your comms, ah. They'll go to VC. Yo, everyone from High Cards Party, go to VC2. Yeah, he's gonna take Castle with you. Bro, we're gonna take every outpost, every castle, bro. Yeah, just take everything you guys want. But we're gonna depot in the guild. Yo, Jiro, I just stayed in your comms, Jiro. I just stayed in your comms. The CTA is not done. We're gonna be done with the CTA once we take everything. Take everything, man, then we're done. Guys, come to clips, come to clips. There's a 6.4 here if you want to gather. Jiro, just stay with me, Jiro. Just stay with my party. Just stay with me in clips. Just stay with me in clips. Just stay with me in clips.
Good day.
To declare option. What Southwest? In Castle? Where are you guys? Jiro, just come to clips. Just come to clips. Just come to clips, man. Just come to clips. Just come to clips. Yo, everyone on my party, come to clips. Come to clips, man. Invite Mixie in whatever party we have. Invite Mixie, man. Yeah, I'm here. I'm here in your comms, bro. I'm here in your comms. Jiro's party, come with me. Every other party go with high card in BC, BC2. We're in clips. We're in clips. Who's the Blob Southwest? Who's the Blob Southwest? Someone check. Hindi kami yan. Kami yung Blob sa east side. Kami yung Blob sa east side. Whose Blob is that? What Blob is that, bro? What Blob is that? Is that us? I just asked. Which part of that? Which part? Whose party is that? Whose party is that? Okay.
Black Mamba Gang King. Where?
I'm gonna go ask high card if they can tap Wasteland. I mean Ravine. Yo, high card, why not take Santang Ravine, brother? Water out Castle. Yeah. I think you guys can rat Santang Ravine, bro. I think Western Paradise has other castles too. You guys can try capping Santang Ravine, brother. Like it's low-key free. Then after that, capture the outpost in Drive-In End. Actually, but Idol might contest the castle. Idol might contest it. Idol. I think it's better. Never mind. It's 1G. Yeah, just go where you guys want to go. Just take some castles. I'm gonna go back to Jiro's comms. Yo, Jiro, just hold. You guys come to the 6.4. We're gonna take this. Who's gonna take the 6.4, man? Who wants to take the 6.4?
I think Hinoike has the gathering set and you.
Care. No. There's no Slums called in castle. There's no announcement or anything. Just hold. Bruh. By the way, guys, GG's in CTA we won. We take all the objectives very fast. That's high card, bro. That's high card. That's also us. You're just gonna be shocked, bro. Like full mass, you just shocked. Well, what's that blob, bro? Oh, it's ours. No, that's nothing. That's just me. It's fine. Clarky, I'm gonna fix your name, bro. There is no fight here, bro. I swear to God. Someone died? Is that ours?
Black Mamba bomb on Snow
Come.
Forest.
Someone died. Snow Forest HO.
Snow Forest Monos. Snow Forest waiting here, Mono. Monos.
Come.
One of our members died. He got killed by Snow
Bro, why
Forest.
did you die? Question mark. Catch them, go.
Nobody was helping him.
Catch them.
Go,
Catch them.
go.
Catch them. Catch them, man. Catch them. Yo, catch them. Where's the Gucci one, bro? The guy's not Gucci, bro. What? Really? You killed the 7-3? That's a 7-3? You killed the 7-3? Isn't that like 6 flat? Bro, that guy was 6 flat, man. Are you crazy? Yeah, come to Mono. Come to east. Yo, don't attack. No, don't make. No, man, bro. Just stay. Don't fight entire. Just hold the 6.4.
They're under.
Hold the 6.4, man. Hold the 6.4. Just hold the 6.4, bro. Come to 6.4. Don't get bumped.
Mono, you were speaking in 4x.
Just hold the 6.4, boys. Just hold the 6.4. Come to 6.4, man. Come to 6.4.
Mono, you're speaking in 4x speed.
Yeah, bro.
No, wait. Slow down.
Man, just leave behind me, bro. Just come to 6.4, man. Care. Just some. Scatter, man. Let someone gather. Spread. Yeah, leave the Terry alone, bro. Leave the Terry alone. If you die in the Terry, that's your fault, man. You're not getting re-geared, low-key, no cap. Man of the match, come back, man of the match. You're gonna die. Those guys are bloodletter, man. Come back. Man of the match, come back, brother. You're gonna die. Come back. Just hold the 6.4. After the 6.4, we take 7.4, boys. After 6.4, we take 7.4. They're not nap in CTA, bro. They're not nap in CTA, only Aberraid. Just come to 6.4. Get ready to gather those gatherers, man.
Mono, let's kill this Snow Forest.
Don't get bummed,
Mono.
ah.
They're kiting, bro.
Let's hold, just let them come, bro. Don't follow, bro. You know they're kiting, you're gonna follow. Are you stupid? Come here. When you know your enemy playing kite, don't let them kite. Get away already, bro. Yes, sir, bro. Like, you know a girl gonna let you, like, just let them, bro. Let them. Just let them come. This one on me, bro. This one on me. Yo, I'm gonna clap this, bro. Like, my God, bro. Come. This one. We clap them. They're running away. Come back. Yo, come back. Nice hold. Yo, come west. Defensive ready. Defensive now. Look west in 3. Look west in 2. In 1. West now. This one guy, bro. Yo, come back. Come inside. Yo, come inside. Just kill them. Yo, ball. Full ball. Everyone come west. Full ball. Defensive now. Come west. Yo, come east a bit. Come east. Everyone come east. Yo, regroup. Come east. Everyone come east. Come east. Scatter, boys. Make a donut. Yo, double time. Make a donut. Make a donut, boys. Make a donut. Make a donut, guys. Make a donut. Surround me. Surround your crown. Come west. Yo, come west a bit. Look west deep. Look south west deep. In 3, 2, 1. Everything. Clap that. Yo, come west. Oh, come back northeast, bro. Come back northeast. Stabilize. Don't die. Come back. Don't loot. Yo, stop looting. We have designated looters. Stop looting. You're gonna die. Stop looting. Come east. Stop looting. Good job. You see, if you looted, you're gonna go straight to heaven because of the energy shaper, man. Yo, Jiro, come back, Jiro. Yo, stabilize. Make a donut. Everyone make a donut. Someone scout the 6.4, okay? Someone scout the 6.4. Come east. Everyone come east. They're just trying to catch. Come east. Everyone come east. Come west. Defensive now. Look west in 3. Look west in 2. In 1. West deep. Come on, west deep. Kill part. Okay, come west. Just delete this. Come on, kill up this. Come back east side. Yo, stabilize, drop defensive, drop Judy. Come east. Everyone come east. Don't be greedy. Yo, come back. Everyone come east. Don't be greedy, man. Come east now. Come east now. Everyone come east. Come east, bro. Come east. Heal Izu. Yo, come west a bit. Yo, scatter. Everyone make a donut. Come west a bit. That tank's hold them now. Come west a bit. Yo, that tank's hold them now. Using W's. Come east a bit. Come east, heal player old. Yo, stabilize. Make a donut. Come east. Yo, care. Look west. Yo, boys, look west deep. In 3, 2, 1. West deep now. Come east. Everyone come back. Yo, bro, come back. Stabilize. Yo, demon. Just come back. Everyone come back northeast. Full kite. Full kite. Yo, guys, make a donut, guys. Oh, make a donut, bro. Come on, make a donut. Surround me. Spread. Come northeast.
1 minute on the 5.
Where's the Charlotte, bro? Where's the RS Charlotte now? With this, bro. You have Limmer Escape with you. Oh, you have Limmer Escape. You're good. Scatter. Just scatter. Is there another party with us? Is there another Mixie? Mixie, do you have a party of your own? Yo, come southwest a bit. Defensive. Yo, come northeast. Just follow your crown. Make a donut around your crown. Don't go too deep. You just take the 6.4. Come northeast. Guys. Come northeast. Just take the thingy. Take this. Eat this. Everyone dismount. Food up. Everyone dismount. Food up. Someone dismount and food up. Yo, come south. Just come northeast and scatter. Just take the 6.4. Listen to me. Just take the 6.4. Don't be greedy. Don't brawl. Come northeast. Scatter, boys. You're clumping. Yo, come northeast a bit. Yo, everyone come south. Everyone slowly eats out. Yo, defensive ready. Come south. Everyone come west. Brawl now. West. Everyone brawl west now. Everyone OC. Defensive now. Yo, full push west. Everyone full push west. Yo, full push west now. Full push out now. Everyone full push out now. Yo, someone gather. Full push out now, bro. Kill port. Full push out now. Yo, boys, full push out. Yo, where are you going? Look at your crown. Full push south, man. Full defensive now, defensive now, defensive now, defensive now. Yo, look west, look west, look west, look west. Yo, look west. Full push west, full push west. Ready defensive. Por is looking, ready defensive. Por is looking, ready defensive. Q's and W's. Izu, why did you die? Izu, why did you die? What the fuck happened to you? Yo, come north. Why are you guys so far away? Come northeast, come northeast. Yo, follow mono east side, follow mono east side. Yo, everyone listen to me, listen to me. Yo, come east, ready defensive. Come northeast, Yo, scatter. Make a donut. You all are camping. Make a donut. Surround me. Q's and W's. Look southwest of Mono in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest now. Delete. Clap this. Okay, full push. Yo, come west. Defensive now. Heal. Yo, come west. Everyone come west. Full push. Yo, full brawl now. What are you doing? Full brawl now west. What are you doing? Yo, full push. What are you doing? Full push. Boy, pumasok kayo. Yo, look south! Everyone come inside! What are you doing? Come inside! Shot fish! Come west! Look west! Q's and W's! Come push! I told you to full push! You're so far away from me! Full push, man! Scatter! Full push! Ready defensive! Scatter! You know this mount! Poi is looking! Q's and W's on par! Q's and W's on par now, boys! Q's and W's on par! Defensive ready! That's fake! Q's and W's on par, bro! Yo! Come inside! Scatter around them! Stop clamping! Make a donut! Yo, boys come west! Everyone OC and food up! Yo, Q's and W's west side now! Can someone fake my west side now? Can someone fake my deep west? Boys, scatter! We're making a donut, not one line! Yo, someone fake west now! Look west in 3, 2, 1! West now! Delete west now! Yo! Delete my west! Full push them now, come on, full push them now. Yo, full push them now. Heal, full push them now. Yo, brawl them. Come on, double time. Yo, come northeast. Brawl come, what are you doing? Damage my people, man. Kamis. Everyone, kite is a bit. Heal front, healers, heal front. What are you doing? You are so far away from your caller. Far away from me. Stick with me and make a donut for crying out loud. Defensive now. Look south in 3, 2, 1, everything on mono, delete! Everything on mono, delete! Finally, good job, bro. Oh my god, come northeast. Delete, come on, keep deleting. Yo, come east side, boys, come east side. Yo, come east, yo, come to mono, where are you all so far away from me? You are running, hello? Come west. Healers, heal my front, make a donut! Why are you all sticking in one line? Oh my god! Akitoshi, you guys are joining me in screams. Why are you making one line? You are stressing me out, boys. Why are you stupid playing right now? Defensive now. Look south in 3, 2, 1. Everything south, everything. Finally, come north. Everyone come north. Scatter. Come north, scatter, boys. Come north and scatter. Make a donut. Surround. Demon if you have, good job. Scatter, boys, make a donut. Everyone make a donut. Yo, Q's and W's on the mobs. Make a donut, guys, make a donut. Yo, make a donut. Surround your collar. Look west, look south of mono. Surround your collar. Defensive now. Look south in 3, 2, 1. Now south now. Kill the light bird. Kill the light bird. Okay, come east. Good job. Come northeast. You're clumping. Defensive now. Come northeast, boys. Kill port if you can. Okay, come east now. Everyone come east. Scatter. Make a donut. Yo, make a donut, guys. Defensive ready. If you have demon, pop it now. Yo, come to mono. Stabilize. Yo, come to mono now. Yo, look southwest. I'm gonna block every single one of them west side now. In 3, look west. In 2, in 1. Inside the Terry now. Delete inside the Terry. No, we're good. Defensive now. Defensive ready. Come kite. We're good. We win. Come northeast, bro. Come northeast. Fucking shit, bro. You are playing like shit again, like earlier, bro. Come northeast. Come northeast, bro. Everyone come northeast, bro. Come northeast, yo. Scatter. Make a donut. Good job. Nice positioning. Finally, everyone positioning. Yo, come west. Yo, we engage deep west. Everyone, we engage deep west. Yo, someone hold them now. Look deep west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep west now. Okay, come back. Defensive now. Everyone blight. Defensive. Judy. Heal up. Come back now. See how easy it is to win when you listen to your caller. Hello. But you all making like a one stupid line at the northeast like a crazy people, bro. Come back, ready defensive. Yo, we engage shallow southwest, Look, engage shallow west in 3, 2, wait, look west deep, West deep in 3, 2, 1, west deep now, delete west deep and come back, everyone come back, quick.
You can see.
Okay, yo, everyone loot up. Yo, loot up. Come east. Everyone come back, come east. Come back east, stabilize. Healers, heal the front. Come back northeast. Everyone loot. El Rito, I'll kick you for now. I'll just get Nakitoshi. Yo, can someone give me party lead? El Rito, can you give me party lead? I accidentally give you party lead, man. Can you give me party lead again? Yo, come northeast. They're gonna bomb us. Come north. Yo, come north. Everyone come north. Akitoshi, I'll invite you. Don't do anything. Come north. Everyone come north. Everyone mount up. How much time here? So 8 minutes. Yo, defensive. Yo, dismount. Everyone dismount. They're still fighting. Everyone dismount. Make a donut. They're still fighting. Yo, Qs and Ws. Yo, come inside. They're still fighting. Qs and Ws inside. Yo, everyone OC. Qs and Ws on 4, guys. Make a donut. Surround them, guys. They're looking inside of us, bro. Surround them. Brawl like 5 guys. Qs and Ws on 4. Scatter. Make a donut. Make a donut, guys. Make a donut. Ready defensive. Come south of mono. Yo, guys, make a donut around mono. Make a donut around the enemy. You're all clumped in my east side. Yo, look west. Yo, everyone, look west. Defensive now. Look west of mono in 3. On 4. Kill 4. Ready defensive. Scatter. Everyone make a donut. Yo, make a donut. Everyone make a donut. Defensive now. Make a donut. Keep brawling. Yo, everyone make a donut. Stop running away. Make a donut with me. Pop your pots. Make a donut, guys. Pop your pots. Yo, come west. Everyone make a donut. Follow your healer. Yo, healer. Come west. I'm dying. Healer. Heal. Yo, look. Healer, what are you doing? My God. Come back. Yo, everyone run. What are you doing? Why are you so far away from me? Oh my God. Oh my gulay, guys. You're not getting triggered from that. I don't know. What are you doing? What's with your mindset? I keep telling you to surround me, make a donut. What are you doing? Why are you all in my back? Why can't you listen? Simple instruction, guys. We were winning. Why are you so scared? Someone reply. Please. Why are you so scared? What the fuck, guys? Rigger, go back to castle. Everyone go to castle. Group in castle, man. Jesus Christ, bro. Healer, why are you so scared? Make a donut. Not a one line at the back. Retarded match. Hello? Because you're all so far away. You're so far away from your caller. What's the point? I told you to make a donut, not one line at my back. That's not our comp. Jesus Christ, guys. Even the people with mean screams, why are you running away? Rigger, come back. Come to the castle, man. We hold the castle. Come to castle, boys. So group in castle, man. I already got my Rigger. If you have no gear, it's okay. Just bounce. Leave my party, please. Come to castle now. Leave the 7.4, man. Guys, what the fuck was that? Healers? Especially healers, man. What are you doing? Same for my damages, and actually my death tanks were still doing good. Healers and damage, what are you doing? Hello? Someone reply to me. Why are you all not making one donut? Instead, you make one line at my back? Someone reply, please. Reply! Because I need to know, why are you playing stupid? Why are you guys acting retarded? Someone explain. Yeah, have you seen us winning? Straightforward, we're less low-key winning. We wiped them like 3 times. Then we get dismounted once, you don't know what to do anymore. Update me, please, so that I know why are you guys playing like a retarded person again. Please. Hello?
Guys, Sunfang Ravine Castle is getting attacked. Hello?
Yo, come to cliffs.
Let's. Maldito is attacking, by the way. Let's see.
Yo, don't you guys have like 60 players, man? Can you deal with Maldito?
Bro, we are only 4 to 5 people at the castle, Sunfang Ravine.
Don't you guys have like 60 people there in Ravine? Can't you guys defend castle? Question mark.
There is none.
Defend the castle. We're gonna defend cliffs.
There is no one
Okay.
at Ravine. Only me.
We're gonna defend cliffs. We're gonna defend cliffs.
Okay.
What happened to your party, Jiro? What's happened to Jiro's party, man? Yeah. Bro, you're supposed to attack at the back, man, like flanking. What's the point attacking in the front, bro? You're a brawl comp. You're supposed to be like anti-bomb as well. Don't come with me at the back, like mount up, then go to the sides, bro. My God. Go to BC, go to CTA, man. Go to CTA comms. Yo, everyone put your mounts to me. Put your mounts to me. Everyone, dismount on me. Dismount on me, bro. Dismount on me. Put your mounts in me. Put your mounts inside me, bro. Do you see that one line? Do you see that white line surrounding me? That's how you're supposed to... Bro, that's how you're supposed to position. But why are you all in one line like you're all in the south line? Are you guys retarded? Question mark. Do you not know what a donut looks like? Have you not eaten a donut in your entire life? Bro, guys, spin around if you do drugs like this past week. Oh my God, bro. See, no one doing drugs here, but what the hell are you playing like that, guys? You guys played so bad, man. You were just low-key supposed to surround me. What the hell? It's just what the hell, man. Like, someone reply, please. Yo, Chow Sul, I need more healers here now in clips. Update me. Yeah, because we lack people in the front line. We're not surrounding anyone. You're all clumping northeast. I don't know your problem. Someone please answer me. Stop muting and answer me. Why are you playing dumb? Hello? I told you repeated times I'm already going crazy in comms to make a donut. Reply. Reply, man. Hello? This is enemy, yeah? This is enemy. Guaranteed fight, bro. This is enemy. Yo, come to me southeast. Come to me southeast. This is enemy fight. This is guaranteed fight, bro. They're not all wearing proper. Come to me. Come to me. Dismount here, boys. Dismount here. Make a donut. OC up and food up. Come to me. Come to me. Dismount. Make a donut, guys. Quickly. Make a donut. Make a donut. OC. Come to me. Quickly. Come to me. Quickly. Dismount and OC. Dismount and OC, bro. Dismount and OC. Dismount and OC. Just come northwest. Just come north. Let them go inside. Let them go inside. So much space here. So much space here. We just have to scatter. We just have to scatter. So much space here. Let them bonk the gate. Let them bonk the gate, boys. Let them bonk the gate. Let them bonk the gate. Yo, guys, don't waste your heals. Don't waste your heals. Just let them bonk the gate, boys. Let them bonk the gate. If they come inside, just surround them. I need more healers in Sunfang Cliffs right now. Okay, just surround them. Let them come inside. Let them come inside. Just surround them, boys. Let them come inside. Let them come inside. Surround them. Just surround them, guys. Surround them. Surround them. Let them come inside. Don't kill forward. Surround them, guys. Surround them. Just surround. Just surround. Just surround, guys. I repeat. Just surround the enemy. Just surround the enemy. Just surround them. Just make a donut inside of Mono right now. Just make a donut right now. Shuji, what are you doing? Still mounted up, brother. Kisandabi's on this guy. This guy's surrounded. Kisandabi's on this guy. This guy's surrounded. But do not be greedy. Do not be greedy. Not everyone brawls. Not everyone brawls. Only a few. Only a few will brawl. Only a few. If you see a lot of players brawling already, do not brawl with them. Do not brawl with them. If you see one player getting brawled already, do not brawl with them. Yo, scatter, guys. Make a donut. Make a donut. Surround the enemy. Make a donut. Make a donut. Make a donut. Kisandabi's on poor. Kisandabi's on poor. Yo, look southeast. Look southeast. Yo, ready defensive. Defensive now. Defensive now. Yo, look southeast. Yo, Kisandabi's on poor, guys. Kisandabi's on poor. Look southeast. Look southeast. Just hold the choke. On the choke. Look to the choke. Southeast in 3, 2, 1. Southeast on the choke. Southeast on the choke. Delete. Southeast on the choke. Delete. Clap. Delete. Clap. Delete. Okay, come back northwest, come back northwest, come back northwest. Yo, surround the enemy, I need some heal. Surround the enemy, make a do not be scared. Surround the enemy, just surround the enemy, do not be scared. The less of you guys clumping, the less damage they will deal. Defensive now. Just keep surrounding the enemy, do not be scared. Surround the enemy, guys. Look at mono east side, just surround the enemy. Some of them are low. Yo, surround the enemy. Yo, you're all clumping west. Look south of mono in 3, 2, 1. South now, delete. Yo, clap, keep clapping southeast, bro, keep clapping southeast. Yo, come back northeast, just go back to the castle, go back to the main castle, go back to the main castle, boys, go back to the main castle, everyone go back to the main castle. Deptang soul, go back to the main castle, boys, go back to the main castle. Ha? Nakuha nyo na yan, nakuha nyo na yung na-hold nyo. Yeah, stabilize, man. Come to clips now. We need your help in clips. Come to clips now, bro. We need your help in clips. Nasaan na kayo right now? Mini update, nasaan na kayo right now? Where are you? Yeah, go to clips right now. I need your help right now, bro.
Careful, they have energy shaper.
I need your help in clips right now, Mimi. Yo, come. Yo, stabilize. Where's my chariot? Come southeast. Healer, stop wasting your E's. Stop wasting your Q's and W's. Look at shallow. Ready defensive, okay? Q's and W's, yo. Don't let them bonk. Yo, Mimi, we need you right now in clips. Update us in clips. We need you right now in clips. Come to clips quickly. Look shallow southeast. 3, 2, 1, southeast now, shallow. Come back. Defensive now. Nice defensive. Come back. Ready defensive on them. They're gonna get declared on. Okay. We can hold 3 minutes. Just hold. Where are you right now? Update. Nice bump. Yeah, we're just here. You're in Ravine right now. Okay. You wanna go northwest? Actually, it's much better if you go northwest. Yo, look at mono southeast in 5. Look at mono southeast in 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Okay, come back. Power's gonna look. Defensive now, Zanya. Ready, locus on Zansha, bro. Come back. Everyone kite. What the fuck is the 2 inertia ring? Come back west. Yo, make a donut. Everyone make a donut. Come back west side. Make a donut, guys. Come back west side. Make a donut, guys. Come back west side. Mimi, I need you to flank this, guys, okay? Come back. Make a donut, guys. Q's and W's, if you have Q's and W's. Just hold. Q's and W's on them if you have Q's and W's, if you're long range. Don't dismount the enemies, okay? Look at this one guy, very low. Look at Por is gonna look at you. Defensive ready. Defensive now. Let's speak. Ready defensive. They're gonna engage again. Defensive now. Yo, scatter. Make a donut slowly, guys. Q's and W's and the guy inside of you. But only like one guy, Q's and W's, not everyone. Q's and W's, guys. It's fine. We have ready defensive, guys. Update, Mimi. Q's and W's. They're looking. Just make a donut. They are looking, guys. They're looking. They're looking, guys. Just hold. Defensive now. They're looking. Defensive now. Yo, Q's and W's. They're waiting for us to engage. Nice hold. Yo, look shallow east of mono. In 3, 2, 1. Full push east. Full push now. Did it? Yo, full push. Yo, ready, stabilize. Full push now. Come inside. Make a donut around them. That's us. The blob is us. Defensive now. Yo, come inside. I need some heal. Heal. Yo, stabilize. Everyone just fight. They're coming. That's me. Yo, keep pushing east. That's where we're good. Keep pushing east now. Everyone full push east now. Everyone full push east. Yo, full push east. Come inside. Full push east now. Look east deep in 3, 2, 1. East now. Did it. Yo, full push east now. Everyone full push southeast. Yo, harass them. They're wearing A3. Kill the light color, bro. They're wearing A3 light color, bro. Kill the light color, bro. Keep just kill them. Just fight them, bro. Fucking massacre the guild, bro. Oh my god. Fucking outnumbered fights, bro. Yeah, fuck them up. Kill the A3. Defensive now. Yo, A3 defensive. Kill this A3, bro. Kill this A3 Gallatin. Kill this A3 Gallatin, boys. Yo, catch this guy. Yo, A3 Gallatin on me, bro. Their battle mount is also here. Yo, McD on me, yo. A3 Gallatin on me, yo. A3 Gallatin. Okay nang inang 8 Galatin, bro. Pakinggan this guy, bro, please. He's going north. He's going north. Catch him, Jetato. Dismount on him, please. Jetato. Kill this healer. Kill this healer. 6-2, 6-2. Kill this healer. Okay, I'm gonna take the castle loot.
Nalot na.
Sino nagloot?
My dear.
Who looted the castle? Who
Meron
looted the
pang
castle?
9M dito. Meron pang 9M
Okay,
na
noted,
natitira.
noted. Let's go deeper in loots. Bro, regear tomorrow. Get your regears tomorrow. I'm just gonna sa loot tab.
That's
Loot the body of the enemy.
that guy is going northeast.
Sorry, bro. You can fight outnumbered. Outnumbered fights is too big, bruh.
Got this.
Nothing in Black Zone is fair, unfortunately. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back home.
Wait, why is this guy not done?
You can someone help us loot. So much more loots here. I have no bag. There's like 1.67 M.
I go.
Let's go home. Let's go home. Mimi, let's go home. Let's go back to Wasteland.
My God, finally. What the hell, man?
Who's the blob?
Your OC is gonna be.
Let's go back home. Let's go back home. Depot loots in. I don't know, bro. Let's go back home. Let's go back home. We already got castle. We already got castle loot. We already got castle loot. Let's go home.
Yeah, kailangan mo nandito mo.
Come. Let's go home. If only we would have been able to hold 2 castles at once. But it's fine.
Loot the castle. Someone.
Nice.
Saan
Let's go.
Saan dito?
Hideout. Yo, who got the 8-3 Galatin? We're gonna depot then Dimas. Who got the 8-3 Galatin? It trash? Nah, I don't believe you, bro. You're getting kicked if it's trash, bro.
Chap niya ata kumuha. Basag daw.
Bro, the 8.3 Galatin broke? Hello? Oh, hell nah, it did. Oh, hell nah. Holy
How
shit,
did
the
that
8-3 Galatin broke, bro. How about our other outpost? Taken? Okay, good. Was taken.
Yo.
Nori got some, though.
Guard me.
Something Western got taken by Nori.
Pati daw yung
Okay, good.
6-3 na light color, basag din daw.
Really?
Oh,
Okay, bro. Oh my god, where will we get our regear, man?
then, meron pa ako ditong 5.4 Infinity Blade.
That's it? The 6-3 and 8-3 broke? Where we get our regear, man? Hello? How much is castle loot even anyway? Let's check our what do you call this? Dude, you should bot review. We were fighting Snow. We wiped them 3 times because they keep regearing. Then my members just like dismounted and does not know where to go. Like they're all at my back. They all died.
Or to drop loots mo, no?
What you
Yo, drop your loots in hideout. Anyways, just good game, bro. Yeah, come to City comes. Everyone just comes to City comes.
CVC market.
Come to City comes. Depot loot, bro. Depot loot.
What
Come
tab,
City
what
comes.
tab?
Depot loot. Let me check what tab is available.
Okay.
Depot in loots tab. Loots tab.
Mono, can someone give Kiring Mount to me? I have looted 47M.
Who's this? Wait, who's this?
Hell,
0. I looted 47M, bro.
Oh my god.
I'm overweight though.
Where are you?
How
I'm
much
coming
overweight?
with you. I'm coming to you. Where are you?
0.
Wait, where are you right
I
now? I
got
don't see you.
47. I am at castle, bro.
Yo,
San
come to
Francisco.
castle, man. Yo, come to castle. Someone has 47M in
I
castle,
got
bro.
47.
We're coming for you. We're coming for you. Everyone come to castle. He has 47M. Come to castle, bro. Come to castle. Give him the mounts he need. He has like half a million, half 100M, bro. We're coming for you. We're coming for you, bro. We're coming for you. We're coming for you. You were coming for you. We're coming for you, man. We're coming for you.
Okay, waiting. I am here.
Yo, lipat na kayo ng CTA comes, man. Mimi and the others. Lipat kayo CTA comes. Go to CTA comes. Thank you. Okay, guys, kindly mute your comms.
No foresters, no foresters, bro.
Zero. Yo, help Zero, man. Help Zero. He has so much money.
Faster.
Don't you have courier, man. Come to Zero now, quickly. Come to Zero,
Bro, I'm
quickly.
overload. Faster.
Why you're
No
looting so
forest
much,
system.
bruh? Throw the runes or something. You, everyone, come to Clips, bro. Come to Clips now. He has 50M. Come to Clips.
Faster, bro.
But
I think
I
I'm
swear,
getting killed.
nah, dude. If you get killed, oh my god, bro. If you get killed, bro, you're gonna be massing Aberrate 24/7 for guild funds, man. Ain't no way.
Fuck, I can pay this.
Yeah, we're here. Where are you? Can you ping?
I'm here, bro. I'm
We're
at the
coming.
center.
We're coming to you. I got you a ball.
Hindi niya ako ma-kill kasi naka-healer set lang pala.
Nice. Good. Yo, come to Clips, guys. We caravan this 50M, man.
You can trade me.
Should have depoted the loots of Snow Forest earlier, bro. They're also wearing 60 earlier, and we won that one. Rip. Yeah, I give you a bar, bro. I have a bar with me, man. Zero, where are you? Oh, Zero.
Dito
Oh,
ako.
you're the other Zero. Here, brother, is your carry weight.
Wait.
So, Mono thought it was 05.
Wait, which Zero? Which Zero? No, okay, never mind. No, it's good. I gave him bar. You good? You have enough spot?
No, I have. Can you trade me instead,
Trade
bro?
me. I have bar with me. Trade me. Holy shit, bro. Yeah, I'm full. Stop. Just give me the relics, man. Stop. Yo, trade some to Blackmon, man. Trade some to Blackmon. Just trade. Accept. I'll trade some to Blackmon, bro.
Oh, it's okay now.
Okay, Blackmon, accept this, bro. I can carry all of this.
No one looting here.
Okay, let's go. I think we're good. Never mind. Blackmon can't move. Someone trade Blackmon. Izu, trade Blackmon, brother.
How much total?
Trade Blackmon,
We
Izu.
should need 100M at least.
I think.
Like 2 gold outposts, 1 castle, or 3 gold outposts.
3 gold outposts. 1 was taken by Evil Smokers. I don't think that counts.
No, we looted.
But
We looted it. Yung Sanfang
you
doon.
guys looted it. Okay, good.
Do we depot the silver in gold?
In loots. Deep silver bag depot in silver treasury.
Okay.
Come. Let's go. Everyone good? Let's go. Depot. Blackmon, can you move? Your Blackmon still can't move. Oh no, someone trade Blackmon. He still can't move, bro. My guy cannot move.
I have
Trade
bag-
Izu,
bag here.
Trade Izu, Blackmon, trade Izu. Trade Izu, IZZU. Or Freya or something, bro. No, it's all relics, bro. It's all heavy as hell, man.
Magsamukha mo kung take ka dito. Samukan ka ba kayo nagmabuka? Samukan kayo na.
Shit, never mind. I'm full.
Kaya mo na yung kalot. Pag hinahon mo, tagat.
Dapat yan. Guys, dapat kami guys.
Easy, good. Oh, let's go.
Oh shit, level guys. 3 minutes.
Bro, what happened to Yashiro? Trade me. I have 20. Yo, Yashiro, what the fuck? Give me some. Pass.
May bag ako Yashiro, may bag ako Yashiro.
We're gonna get ganked, bro. We're gonna get ganked. Trade it to
Yashiro,
me, go.
accept.
Accept. Give me. Accept.
There's no forest shit out there.
Ito yung naka-moose.
Wait, Izu, trade me, Izu.
Tara,
Trade
let's
me.
go.
Izu, accept Izu. Okay, can you move? Oh my god, both of us can't move. Is that Blub Snow Forest? Oh my god. Yung
Sa
someone
akin na nga
trade
yung
Izu,
iba,
someone trade
60%
Izu.
lang ako.
Yo, Izu, go, use courier. Yo,
Asan na si
anyone has bag, give to Izu bag.
Meron
Izu needs
ako.
bag, bro. Izu needs
Trade,
bag.
accept.
Izu needs bag, man. Bro, we can't move, bro. The castle loot is too much. We can't move. Oh my god.
You can trade me some.
You good?
Apat yung
Can
bag
you
na
move now?
binigay ko.
Hey, you can move now. Let's go.
Si Lopi, overload din.
It's okay, let's just walk like that, bro.
You can trade me some.
What?
The Philippine Eagle.
Yo guys, I'll
Izu,
regear
you
you
can
tomorrow
trade me
exact
some,
time.
Izu. You can trade me
12
some.
UTC, bro. I'll regear all of you 12 UTC. I'm just gonna sell the
I'm
loot tabs.
60%. Trade me. Trade me some. I am 60%.
Oh, we actually got one
Oh,
territory.
you
Oh yeah,
can
we
move.
do.
Oh, let's go, bro.
Come. Yo, where's Izu? Protect the guys with loot, man.
Okay na siya.
Protect the guys with loot, bro. Yo, wait for us in Wasteland. Everyone, wait for us in Wasteland. Snow Forest is looking at us. We need help in Wasteland, boys. Come to Wasteland. Snow Forest is looking at us. Please, come to Wasteland. A group in Wasteland, guys. Come to Wasteland. We need help, bro. We need help. Depot the loot of Snow Forest and loot stab. Thank you very much. After we depot, we demas. GG's well played. You get all your riggers tomorrow, guys. I'm gonna trade all our riggers tomorrow. Let's go home.
Wala to ng Nori.
Yeah, large pile of crates here, boys. Large pile of crates here on the ping.
Mayaman na sana ako ngayon.
Mano, I
Di ko
don't
sinabi.
get full 30 ticks of 6.4 fiber. Some took it. It's okay, just depot and loots. Eldapo, yo, come dismount. Eldapo's dying from mounts, bro. Okay, it's good, never mind.
Bro, what? We demas already, lol.
Yeah, after we depot the loots, we demas, bro. We're good.
Hello, how was your CTA?
Is it Squiddy?
Mayaman na sana ako ngayon mo, no?
How was yours, Squiddy? How was yours?
We fucking suicided, so you know.
We won. We wiped our enemies 3 times inside their territory. Then we trolled hard when we mounted up.
We committed suicide.
We didn't suicide. Unfortunately, today we didn't suicide.
We committed suicide.
Oh, you guys committed suicide. Malaysia committed suicide? How, Ra? The fuck?
Sayang yung 7.4. Mga
You guys,
gatherer lang yung kumuha.
Tomorrow, man, we're gonna start massing again for scrims, like 20 versus 20 inside every 13. And off timers, I'll be massing outposts. Same for 12 UTC. I'll be massing outposts every timer starting tomorrow. Mass everything. No cap, bro. Mass everything.
So,
Bro.
ilalagay yung lot mo, no?
In loots tab, bro. In loots tab. Depot in
Stab.
loots.
Okay.
See that
Loot.
54 million? Depot it there.
Go look at CCTV's territory com.
They have 16, right?
Yep.
Puro 38 itong nakuha ko eh.
Yo, they should have 17. We just got bank, bro. I'm asking them if they want to drop it. We just got rather